Welcome to LevelUP, the ultimate fitness web app that allows you to compete with friends and track your nutrition, as well as your workouts, all in one place. Our app is designed to help you reach your fitness goals, regardless of where you're at in your fitness journey. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, LevelUp is the perfect web app to take your fitness journey to the next level. Let's meet the team behind LevelUp and see more about the product that we have created. My name is Kyle Persine, and I'm a senior computer science student at the University of South Carolina.
My name is Nick Wilson, and I'm also a senior computer science student at the University of South Carolina.
My name is Tejas Padmanabhan, and I'm also a senior computer science student at the University of South Carolina.
My name is Peter Butkus, and I am a computer information systems student at the University of South Carolina.
My name is Gahish Yolvikas, and I'm a senior in computer science at South Carolina.
When coming up with the idea to create LevelUp, we decided that the problem that we were trying to address was that many people struggle to maintain a consistent fitness routine and reach their fitness goals due to a lack of motivation, accountability, and an inconvenience of tracking workouts and nutrition. Our goal at LevelUp is to provide a solution that solves these problems and empowers users to achieve their fitness goals. Our app allows users to connect with friends, compete in challenges, track workouts and nutrition, and receive personalized recommendations based on their progress. By offering a comprehensive and user-friendly platform, we aim to inspire users to stay motivated, accountable, and on track towards reaching their fitness goals.
Many individuals struggle to maintain a consistent fitness routine due to a lack of motivation, accountability, and the inconvenience of tracking workouts and nutrition manually. Without a comprehensive platform like LevelUp, users may resort to tracking their progress on paper or using multiple apps, making it difficult to see their overall progress and stay motivated. Moreover, without a supportive community, users may feel isolated and unmotivated, leading to a lack of progress and a decrease in overall health and fitness and wellness. With LevelUp, users can say goodbye to these pain points by tracking their workouts and nutrition in a one user-friendly platform and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals who share their fitness goals.
So we used several technologies in our web application. Mainly, we used the Ionic framework to start off, and this is because originally we thought about creating a mobile application for iOS, and we wanted the flexibility of being able to switch over to a web application if necessary. And Ionic excels at cross-platform development, has great pre-built UI components. It's very customizable. It provides good performance, and it's easy to learn. Second, we use the React testing library, the JavaScript library, React, for building our user interface and UI components. React is very fast, responsive, and it allowed us to develop a dynamic and interactive web application. And since we used Ionic and React, it was only natural that most of our code was written in TypeScript, HTML, and CSS, as those are excellent languages for writing web applications. For storing information and authentication and deploying our app, we use Firebase for all three of those things. The Firebase real-time database was great for storing information that users input into our application. It's very easy to set up and use. It provides offline support, and it allowed us to tie each individual user's account to their data. And with the Firebase authentication, we could easily and securely register users, log them in, send them password reset emails, and safely store their username and password. And then for our hosting to deploy our web app, we use Firebase hosting. In regard to testing, we use the React testing library for our unit test and the Selenium WebDriver for our behavioral tests. These testing libraries, allowed us to easily test our code and simulate what the user would see when they interact with our application. And lastly, we used NPM as our package and build manager.
And we're now going to transition into our demo video.
For the purpose of this demo, we are going to pretend that Shane Beamer, the amazing head coach of the South Carolina Gamecocks football team, is a user of our web app. As the head coach of an intense athletic program, it is important for Shane to be able to keep up with his own fitness and nutrition goals. But it would also be very convenient and useful for him to be able to easily track the progress of the players he coaches. As of right now, it is tedious and inconvenient for Shane because he is writing everything down on paper and meeting with the players in person for updates. This is where LevelUP comes in. With our web application, Shane can now easily track his own fitness as well as that of the players he coaches, all in one convenient place. So let's jump into LevelUP and see how Shane can take advantage of our app to make his life easier. First, Shane needs to register an account with his email and choose a strong password. Then he will click the register button. Once he clicks that button, he is taken to the login page. Here he can enter his email and his password that he just used to register the account, and then he can click the login button. Upon logging in, we see the personal information page. This page only comes up on the first time a user logs in. And this is so that they can provide us with additional information about themselves. Here, a user can click the edit button. They can claim a username. We'll do Shane Beamer 77. We can do the first name, last name of Shane. He can also enter his gender and weight. Now he can click Save to apply his changes. And he gets a message, Success! You have updated all of your information. Now, all of Shane's information will be stored in his database entry. If Shane was ever confused, he could have clicked this information button to see more additional information regarding the page. Here we are told that once we have chosen a username, you cannot change it again unless you request a change through the support page. There you have it. Shane now has all of his personal information in the database, and he has successfully registered and logged in. But let's say the next day Shane forgets his password. What can he do? Well, if he goes to the login page, he will see this text down here that says, Forgot your password, with a link to reset his password. Shane clicks the link, and here it says, Please enter your email address and we will send you an email with a link to reset your password. So, Shane enters his email and clicks the Send Email button. He gets an alert saying, Success! Please check your email for a link to reset your password. Shane pulls up his email, looks in his inbox, and gets an email with a link to reset his LevelUp account password. Shane clicks the link, and he's taken to a page where he can enter a new password. Shane enters his new password, and then clicks the Save button. Perfect! Shane has now successfully reset his password. Now, I will let Kyle take the floor to demo the workout page and home page.
For this part of the demo, Shane is going to log a workout and see it reflected on the home page. As you can see, on the home page, we display the total points as well as a live feed where you can see the progress and things you have done inside of our application. We're now navigating to the Workout tab. On the Workout tab, we have sections for chest, back, arms, legs, abs, and cardio workouts, as well as showing how many workouts you have logged as well as your points. Today, we're going to log a back workout. As you can see, we have a series of workouts as well as a search bar. Let's go ahead and search for pull down. As you can see, we have a few options. It shows us a GIF on how to do the exercise, and we can pick one. We are now prompted to enter the number of sets, the reps, as well as the weight that we have used. We are then asked if we want to log the workout. Click yes, and we're going to add another one. We're going to add a whole entire day's worth of back exercises. Now that we have added the workout, we are going to go ahead and see these changes reflected inside of our application. You can see the values at the bottom of the screen I've updated, and as well, the home page matches as well. The value is 100 points higher due to the nutrition side of our app that we will showcase later. As you can see on the live feed, we see our chest workouts from yesterday as well as our back workouts that we just logged today. This allows Shane to see all of his progress as well as share his progress with other members of the team. I'll now pass it over to Tejas so he can show you the nutrition side of our app.
Now Coach Beaver is going to be inputting a nutrition diet for the day. So as you can see, the first part of our app, as you can see, is a calorie goal for the day. So Coach Beamer likes to have around 2,500 calories per day. The first meal of the day that Coach Beamer is going to have is his breakfast. He's going to have some scrambled eggs. And as you can see the macros per serving. So he's going to have one of these, one serving. And as you can see, updates nicely. Now for lunch, he's going to have some chicken and rice. Now for dinner, Coach Beamer is going to have some steak. Now, Coach Beamer also really likes to have some crackers throughout the day. Now, as you can see, Coach Beamer went a little bit over his calorie goals, so he wouldn't get that. However, Coach Beamer is on a bulk, so he's going to be around 3,200 calories a day. And as you can see, he made his goal, so he got his 100 points. So now, Coach Beamer is also going to add his water. As you can see, Coach Beamer had a lot of water today. So, and as you can see, if he hits his goal, hits the close button. And then if you go on to our homepage, you can see the points added up as well as the log. Now I'm going to hand it over to Cahoose for the next portion.
Here's our profile page for Shane Beamer. So we have our profile picture here. So Shane's going to change it. He's going to click on it, and he's going to have to enter a URL. So we'll go to his picture. He's going to copy. He's going to put the link in here and click Change Image. Once he has done that, you can see the image has changed. Down below, we have our daily streak. So this streak counts how many days Shane Beamer has logged in consecutively. So Shane's going to want to add some friends. So he's going to add Spencer Rattler as his friend. And once he clicks Add, he'll see it down below. He has Coach Lembo, Debo Samuel 1, Juice Wells, and Spencer Rattler. Next, we'll go to Settings. Here, he can change his personal info. And he can change his first name, his last name, gender, and weight. Down below we have support, which you can see our FAQ, our About Us page, and Contact Us, which will open up our email and insert it here so you can type us a message. We also have a reset password in our settings page. You enter your email here and click Submit, and it will send you a link to reset your password. And lastly, we have Logout. Now we have a progress checklist on the bottom. This is where Shane can enter his goals. So he has beat Clemson, get ready for the season, and we'll type in a new goal that practice at 12. We'll click Add, and Shane can click Done, or he can remove his goals.
Now that we have added a few friends that we would like to keep up with, we are now on the leaderboard tab. This is where you can see your score along with 2 of your top friends. Let's go ahead and click Reveal Leaderboard and see what's up. As you can see the scores here. It looks like we're in first place and Coach Lembo might be struggling with 50 points. With Shane now using our leaderboard feature, this concludes our demo of LevelUp. We hope you enjoyed watching and we hope you enjoy using LevelUp to embrace your fitness goals and your fitness journey.